is my channel, which is dedicated to help all those who have passion for baking. Something what started as a hobby is now my full-time profession. So here I am to share with you my journey and my experience of homemaker to a patisserie chef. Baking is a harmony of various ingredients coming together to form a delicious dessert. Every ingredient has to be in an exact proportion, like notes in music. Any missing scale will spoil the outcome. So I'm here and super excited to teach you all these techniques which will help you to make your cakes better and the best. So friends, follow my channel to learn everything you need to know about baking. To bake a cake that you just can't stop craving.